kids, welcome back to our learning video with Miss Luby
and Miss Ayu.
And today we will talk about a country
Yes.
that very famous with the music.
Yes.
Okay, with the special body language like acha acha, acha acha, like that. And do you know?
Kia?
Yeah, kia. And then do you know why we put on these accessories in our clothes, our
Yes.
body, and we put on this one in our forehead? Do you know why? This is the specific accessories in this country too. Okay, but Miss Ruby doesn't know about this name, but Miss Ayu will tell you about that. Okay? Do you know Miss Ayu? What is craft name?
Yeah. This is we call with sari.
Sari.
Yes. This country using sari for the female, and actually this is not sari. Okay. This is just only for accessories.
Yeah.
Okay. And the second, this one on the forehead we call mahendi.
Mahendi.
Yes.
So I will say Mahendi.
Okay.
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 And then Miss Ayu will give you some clues also that you can guess the name of this country easily.
Yes.
Okay. The first clue is
This country famous with the sari, of course. This one. And then the second, this country famous with the yoga. Yes. The third, this country famous with the movie with the Bollywood.
Bollywood, like the Hollywood. Maybe they are same in different continents.
Yes. And then the fourth is this country famous with the dance and with the music, of course. And then the last one, this country famous with the body language when they speaking, of course.
Okay, like yes.
Yeah.
Malahe. Acha-acha.
Okay. Can you guess it? What country is that?
Can you guess, kids? Can you speak louder? I cannot hear. 1, 2, 3. What is that? Yes, that one. India. India. So in this video, we will talk about India in general, India in specific, and India in landmarks. Okay? About landmarks. So please check it out and listen carefully until finish.
Okay, now I would like to tell you about general information of India. India, or Hindi, officially the Republic of India, is located in South Asia and bounded by Indian Ocean on the south. One of the oldest civilizations in the world, India is a mosaic of multicultural experiences with a rich heritage and myriad attractions. The country is among the most popular tourist destinations in the world. India is the second most populous country after China. Okay, that's all about the general information of India.
Okay, kids, after Miss Ayu give you information in general, now Miss Luby will give you information in specific. I will start with the flag. This is Indian flag. The name is Tiranga, or three colors. And India has three types of ideology. The first is Big Tent social, the second is democracy social, and the third is nationalism secularism. And India also has national emblem. This one, the picture. The name is the lion capital of Asoka at Sarnath. And India also has national song. The song title is Jana Gana Mana. And it is, the meaning of the song is Thou art the ruler of the minds of all people. And India also has motto in this country. The motto is Satyameva Jayate. Indian nationality is Indian. And India has Independence Day every 15 August. And the government shape of India is Republic. And India currency is Rupee. Capital city of India is New Delhi. And the national language of India is Hindi, and some of the people also speak in English. India has the national symbols. I will explain one by one. This is elephant, is the national heritage animal in India. And this is tiger, the national animal of India. And this is peacock, the national bird of India. And India also has the national flower. This is lotus. This one, so pretty. And one more thing is very important and famous, Miss Ayu.
Yes.
That India has the national river also.
Yes.
The name is Ganga River. Okay, so that one the specific information about India. So you have to remember. Okay.
Tell you about some landmarks in India. Taj Mahal in Agra, Amer Fort in Jaipur, Golden Temple in Amritsar, Ellora Caves in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, the holy city of Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, the Gateway of India in Mumbai. And the last is Kashmir Highland in Kashmir. Okay, that's all the information about some landmarks in India.
Kids, after you learn about India in general, India in specific, and some landmarks in India, now it's your time to do greeting using Hindi. Hindi is Indian's language, national language, okay? So how to do this, Miss Luby? Because you have to practice, okay? And you have to show up about this one, your project, for next week on Monday, okay? Like this, the question is like this. Namaste, mera naam Luby hai. Main Indonesia yi hun. Shukriya. Can you do that?
Okay.
That's
very easy, right?
That's very easy. Okay. Let's repeat, Miss Ayu. Let's repeat. Okay. So your position is like this and your hand is like this. Okay. Namaste. Mera naam Luby hai. Main Indonesia yi hun. Shukriya. Okay, it's easy, right?
Okay.
Now you have to repeat our video to learn more about India. So that's why you can answer your teacher's question for next week. Thank you so much for your attention, kid. Bye-bye. Acha, acha. Shukriya. Bye.